Bulk package update can be implemented when a particular pack size of an item used in various recipes needs to be replaced by a different or new pack size. Open the product under the product list. One product is consisting 2 different pack size. Click on the Recipes tab. Click on Bulk Package Update. Choose the different pack size from the Select the Other Package option. Select all or required recipes where pack size need to be changed. Click on Update Selected to move the recipes to the new pack size. Please ensure that all conversion units should be compatible for switching between recipes.